How we all getting along today? Well, I hope you're doing a darn sight better than me. This old Poland mower has been giving me fits this year. She's been a good old mower. She got over 1,000 hours on her, and we mow quite a bit of acreage out here. But this year, it's just been something else. I brought her in and did the PM on it and all that before we fired up, and everything looked good and had new belts on it last year. First thing that happened, went to start it up, take it out of the barn to go do the PM. She would not turn over. It had, just a little cheesy lawnmower battery on it, so I thought, well, heck, the old lawnmower battery. And I had put the trickle charger on it a couple times over the winter, but that didn't, seem to help it any. So I trotted off to Tractor Supply and bought me a new 400 some odd amp battery and paid way darn too much for it. And brought it home and same darn thing. It would not turn over. So I got the old booster card out and she cranked right up. So I got to thinking a little bit and I knew what was wrong. The dreaded compression release had went out. And on these twin Briggs and Strattons, that compression release is part of the camshaft. So that means you have to pull the whole motor apart. That didn't sound like no fun to me at all, to change that camshaft. So, you know me, I came up with a better idea. Right there, 24 series, 1,000 amp cranking car battery. Guess what? She now fires right up. Don't have to worry about no compression release. Now, my fear is I will burn up a starter or two, but maybe it ain't gonna last that long anyway. About time for a new mower. Well, so if you run into the same problem and you're as lazy as I am and don't want to tear that motor down, try you a car battery. Put you a little bit more fire in the wire and see if she'll crank up. Hope y'all have a good Saturday. Catch you later.